Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Riz Akbar, NPM 100 400 200 and 1246. Illegal parking. Illegal parking. My view regarding the prevalence of illegal parking is that I strongly disagree because it can cause road conditions to become jam and unconditioned because people are still not sensitive to the environment and the lack of special place for parking areas. So people park carelessly on the road and can cause severe traffic jams. The cause of illegal parking are due to the lack of parking area, then the laziness factor of the driver to find a parking space to the building, and there are also those who want to pay for parking at a low price, so that all residents make the excuse for illegal parking. Here I will show some fact or data that often occur in parking areas in Indonesia. The fact is that it often happens in Indonesia, such as in a traditional market areas, on road, shoulder, malls, red light, restaurant, and sidewalk. For example, in the Lenteng Agung area, South Jakarta Public Transportation vehicle hand haphazardly on the shoulder of the road, thereby exacerbating congestion. The second example is in the Pasar Baru area in central Jakarta. The community park their vehicle on the shoulder of the road, and there are also employees who park them there, so that there is a lot of parking and there is the potential for very severe traffic jams on the road. So I can conclude that the quality of government officials such as the transportation agency in controlling parking is still not optimal. It can be seen from the facility and infrastructure as well as the control system that has not been effective in Indonesia. The initiative for the performance of Department of Transportation apparatus is still lacking. This is shown by the lack of concern for providing adequate socialization to the community. My advice is to pay more attention to the capacity for parking, such as siding parking lots and even making parking building, because the accumulation of the number of vehicle parked cause congestion resulting in excess parking capacity. Or maybe Indonesia has the implement park application based parking, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, as it is now very necessary to maintain health and security to prevent COVID-19 COVID-19. My advice is to pay more attention to the capacity for parking, such as adding parking lots and even making parking building, because the accumulation of the number of vehicle parked cause congestion resulting in excess parking capacity. Or maybe Indonesia has the implement park application based parking. It can make parking transaction easier. Simply use electronic money and on the park application or wallet digital like GoPay, OVO, Fun, Link Aja, and Shopee Pay. The fact are that this application has begun to be implemented in Indonesia, although it is still at some point, such as, but this can be a solution in making it easier for you to find a parking space.